Hi friends, my name is Nandita. I am from Andhra Pradesh.
Now let us discuss the elements of weather. The temperature, humidity, rainfall, wind and the other factors are called the elements of weather, which are described as the below. Now let us see what is temperature. The weather is mainly affected by the sun that produces heat and rises up the temperature. The sun provides the light as well as the heat on the. It is necessary for the production of energy. The heat from the sun is absorbed by the earth's surface, oceans and atmospheric, which plays an important role in determining the weather of any place. Now let us see what is rainfall. The amount of water droplets that falls back on the earth after condensation of water vapor is called rainfall. When the temperature is too low, these droplets in the cloud get freezed into crystals of ice and comes on the earth as snowfall. During winter season, the temperature falls after sunset, causing condensation of water vapors near the ground. These droplets hang in the air to form fog. Children, the rainfall is generally measured in millimeters and the instrument that is used to measure the rainfall is called as rain gauge. It is a measuring cylindrical with a funnel kept on its top which collects the rainwater. The rainwater collected in the measuring cylinder gives a measure of rainfall. Now let us discuss about humidity. Humidity is defined as the amount of water vapor in air which causes the dampness of air. Air has the ability to hold certain amount of water vapor. The capacity of air to hold water vapor increases with the rise in temperature and falls if heavy rainfall occurs. The humidity is measured by the instrument called hygrometer, which consists of two thermometers. The bulb of one thermometer is wet and the other is dry. Now let us discuss about wind speed. Wind speed is caused due to the difference in air pressure. During summer, the wind blows from the Indian Ocean and Bay of Bengal and causes rain in India, while during winter, it blows from the mountain or North India towards northern plain and causes cold weather. Thank you.